Hello my fellow riders and welcome back to Riding Reviews. Today we're going to be doing a test ride on the BWS 125cc Yamasaki. As you can see, we're standing next to the BWS 125cc Yamasaki. This comes in black or white. Here it is. And today we're going to be doing a test ride on it. So I'll be going down around the block. I will do a talking segment at the beginning and then I will shut up so you can hear the sound of the engine. Now, as you can see, I have added the GPS on this one. Sometimes the speedos on all motorbikes and cars, to say, are sometimes a little bit out. So I thought that I'd give you the GPS signal from my phone, just so that you can see exactly how fast this scooter goes in real life conditions. Now, it does keep on moving about a little bit, and I have to adjust it on the fly. But it is what it is. Sorry for the camera angle. It's quite hard to gauge how to set the camera because you can't actually see it, so it's a bit of a pain. This scooter does pick up fairly quickly. For inner city use is going to be ideal. So you'll see later on in this video that the bike does actually get up to 55 miles an hour. Now I believe that I can get a little bit more out of this one. Number one, when it is fully run in, and number two, if people got out of my way. Now this is an 8-mile test ride, and it is just so that you can see exactly what sort of speed these things can do. In regards to the phone holder, this wasn't designed for this bike, and the gripper's not quite big enough to, not small enough to grip properly on the handlebar, so I did have to support it every once in a while because it did keep on falling down, which was a pain in the backside. Now, as you can see, this scooter does pick up fairly quickly. I would put this akin to the Lexham Diablo, which is their more expensive scooter. Last time I checked, it was about £2,500. I may be mistaken, and I don't know what the Euro 5 2022 prices are, but I will put a little thing in there down the bottom just so that you can see exactly how much it is. But the price difference on this one is actually cheaper than the Lexmoto Titan, and it is cheaper than the Motorini Misano as well. This one comes in, I believe it's at £1,799 plus whatever OTR is, so you can get it about £1,950 on the road. It'll come with a 2 years warranty, but remember you have to keep up with your servicing to be able to use that 2 years warranty. And everybody's going to ask as well, this bike is not restricted. You can get a little bit more speed out of it if you change the rollers, but you will lose your torque. So I suggest just leave it. Servicing on this one, I believe there's one at 300 miles, one at 2,000 and something, 2,500 maybe, and another one at 5,000. At the 5,000 mile service, you will have to change the belt and rollers as well. Doesn't mean they're going to go then, but what you will find is if you leave them for too much longer than that, you may be out and about and they will snap on their own. And it doesn't actually damage anything on the bike, it just becomes a bit of a pain in the backside for you. So I would suggest always make sure that you do the services, and remember on the second service make sure that you ask them to adjust your tappets as well. If your tappets go tight, you'll notice that the bike is hard to start and it is slowing down as it gets hotter. Now that there, the bit that we just went up is actually a hill, and it was going up there fine at 40-ish miles an hour. They're doing some roadworks obviously on this road, so couldn't go much faster than 40. Now this is a more of a retro design. It does have the old Yamaha top and bottom lights, but on this one the bottom light is just for side light sort of thing. It does have analog clocks, and it does have an analog fuel gauge, indicator, engine management light, and a high beam light as well. You do have the special keys that you can lock for a little bit of additional security. And on this one, if you wanted to, you can adjust the handlebars a little bit further forward or a little bit further back, depending on how you like it. The mirrors on this are the same as the Lex Moto Diablo as well. And I think it's the Motorini, I believe, has got the same mirrors. But yeah, this is going to be a good all-around commuter scooter. Say that 5 times fast. So anyway, I am going to leave you to this just so that you can see what it's like. This is an uphill as well, so we're going to end up doing about 45 miles an hour at the top of here. I'll leave you to watch the remainder of the video without me blabbering on, because I know some people like it, some people don't, so I will shut up. I did try and take a bit of a strange route on this one, trying to make it so that I get enough space to get the top speed out of it. I don't think I quite got it. This one goes a maximum of 55 miles an hour, but I do believe it has a little bit more. So anyway, thanks for watching. Thank you for watching my video on the Yamasaki BWS 125cc. Now, you saw on this video that the bike will go 55 miles an hour. It will actually do more than that, but as you can see from the video, there were lots of people in my way. This is also a brand new bike, and you do get a little bit more as the bike frees up a little bit. So hopefully this has informed you a little bit on whether you want to buy one of these. Remember, they are the cheapest 125cc moped on the market in 2022. So if you want to support the channel, please buy the merch at the bottom of this video or go to my website. There will be some stuff in the shop there. All proceeds will go to supporting riding reviews. If you like the video, please hit that thumbs up. If you've got any questions, please comment below and I answer every single one of them. But as always, ride safe.